Air Zimbabwe Unveils Harare-Mutare, Flight Schedule and Prices. The 2nd of September 2025. By Timothy N. Dora. Harare, national carrier Air Zimbabwe has released the flight schedule and ticket prices for its newly introduced Harare-Mutare route, set to operate during the Sanganai Hlanganani Travel Expo from 8 to the 14th of September 2025. The special flights will connect the capital with Mutare in just 30 minutes, with fares pegged at $85 R1 $615 for a one-way ticket and $150 R2 $850 return. Additional routes include Mutare, Victoria Falls, priced at $179 R3 $265, one-way and $310 R5 $660 return. Government spokesperson Nick Mangwana confirmed the development, writing, Mutare NENDGE, Harare to Mutare one-way $85, return $150. Mutare to Victoria Falls $179, return $310. The official timetable lists 2 Harare-Mutare round trips daily. Alongside Harare, Victoria Falls connections, flights will depart Harare at 7 o'clock and 16:30, arriving in Mutare 30 minutes later. Return flights from Mutare are scheduled for 8 o'clock and 17:30. While the announcement sparked excitement among some travelers, others criticized the pricing and infrastructure readiness. Consumer watchdog ZVAITWA noted, during the expo, flights to Mutare will cost $85 one way and $150 return. The journey takes about 30 minutes. For comparison, bus travel costs $7, $8, and driving averages $40. On social media, reactions were mixed. User at Fari Passi wrote, Madness. Return flight to Munich from London costs USD 115, and Air Zim is charging more than double for a domestic flight, a fifth the distance. Concerns were also raised about Mutare Airport. Dormant since the late 1970s, one user commented, is the airport in Mutare still usable, since it was last used by Smith in 1979? Despite doubts, some travelers welcomed the service as a novelty. User at Relording it remarked, Mutare will be the joy ride. Endije Endoitori trip Yacho, the plane is the trip itself. Questions also surfaced over pricing in US dollars instead of the local ZVAITWA currency. As one user put it, why charge in American currency when we have our own currency? Make it make sense to me. Passengers are advised to confirm bookings through Air Zimbabwe sales offices or travel agents, as the listed fares exclude taxes and additional charges.